Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Continuing the news now, dancehall veterans Beenie Man and Bounty Killer were among 232 Jamaicans recognized for their contribution to nation building during the 2024 presentation of National Honors and Awards this morning. Sprint hurdler Hans Parchment was also recognized. Romardo Lyons has the highlights.
It wasn't the first time a medal was placed around his neck, but the first of this kind. Olympic champion Hansel Parchment received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, Jamaica's fifth highest honor, for his exceptional achievements in athletics at the world and Olympic levels, and it was music to their ears. Longtime rivals turned friends, dancehall veterans Moses Beenie Man Davis and Rodney Bounty Killer Price were among 7 from the entertainment industry who were also awarded under that category in the officer rank. Now, former Deputy CEO of the RJ Erglina Communications Group, Dr. Claire Grant, received the same honor for her service in the field of journalism, media, and communications. Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang and Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett were among 8 Jamaicans who received the Order of Jamaica, the nation's 4th highest national honor. The 2 were awarded for outstanding contribution to public service and politics. And at a time when much attention is placed on mental health worldwide, Professor Wendell Abel was conferred with membership in the Order of Jamaica for his contribution to psychiatry. Former Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Dunstan Bryan, received the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for service in the fields of public health and public policy. Among those who received a badge of honor for contributions to the nation's youth were Dr. Cynthia Monroe for over 41 years of service to education and Sharon Murphy for over 38 years of service to the welfare of children up to 12 years old. Now, Bishop Randolph Henry received a badge of honor for gallantry. He saved the life of a man he discovered with multiple gunshot wounds. He offered assistance until the police and ambulance services arrived. Several members of the uniformed groups were awarded the Medal of Honor for meritorious service. 6 from the JDF, 26 from the JCF, 27 from the Department of Correctional Services, and 24 from the Jamaica Fire Brigade. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.